I guess then I'm gonna show you how to self-host n8n. It's actually the simplest way I found so far, it's the fast way I found so far. Actually, this is the second time I record this video. The first time I forgot to activate my mic, so now I'm just going to record it again and hopefully it's gonna work. So I just made an account a couple of minutes ago. Alright, so before we actually do anything, we need to actually be on some plan, either the hobby plan or the pro plan. To be honest, the hobby plan is quite alright for this one. I'm personally using Hesner for mine, and it has half of the power that this plan gives you, and it's around the same price overall. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna go to subscribe for the hobby plan. Alright, so I just subscribed, so I'm just gonna go back to the dashboard and create a new project from a template. I'm gonna type n8n, and then I'm gonna look for the template by Jack, which is this one. It has the most downloads and it has 100% success rate. Okay, I'm gonna just click on it, and here you can configure the primary, the worker, the post grade, everything, but I'm just gonna click on deploy. Now it's creating the project. As you can see on the right side, you can check the activity. This might take a minute, so I'm just gonna stop the video and come back when it's actually ready to continue. Alright, so it took about 5 minutes, but I think it's pretty much done. So the next thing we need to do is just click on the primary here. And you don't really need to do anything. You just go to settings and you can pretty much copy the address, paste it here just to check if it works. As you can see, it's loading quite well and it seems like it's working. Let's just give it one more second. Okay, so that's usually the screen that you get when you self-host n8n. I'm just gonna close it for now. Other useful things you might want to know is that you can change the region and you can even limit the resources that you're gonna use for this instance. For example, if you wanted to use only 4 cores and 4 gigs of RAM, you can do that. You can just change it through here, but I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Also, one more useful thing is that you can actually use a custom domain. For example, right now I'm gonna add mine, which would be n8n2 at alphastream.com. Actually, let's put it as 3 because I think I already did it once. So I'm just gonna add it and we're gonna get that. Next thing we need to do is you're gonna go to the DNS settings of your website. For example, right now I have Cloudflare and I'm gonna use it here. But for example, you might use Squarespace or something else, doesn't really matter. The process is pretty similar, it's the same. You're gonna copy the name, go to the DNS and add a new one. It needs to be a CNAME, then you're gonna add the subdomain and then you're gonna add the whatever values here. That's the target. So you're gonna save it. I will actually need to blur all of that again. It might take a couple of minutes to actually change, but let's try it. Maybe it's already done. Okay, dismiss. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna make a quick account here. I'm gonna quickly fill it in. So now we need to fill this one. I'm just gonna fill it in really quickly. Skip that. Okay, create something from scratch. Now I'm gonna just test the webhooks. I'm gonna use Postman for that. Postman is a really useful software that you can use to check webhooks, if they work, if they receive, and if they send. Right now I'm just gonna send a webhook from Postman to n8n to check it. Okay, now it's loading. I need to click on new request here. Then I'm just gonna put the URL that I got from here, and click send. In a couple of seconds we should get a confirmation. Let's see. yeah, the workflow has started. And if we go back here, we can see that we received some data. So that's pretty much it. Anything is working perfectly. If you have any questions, comments, just put it in the comment section below. If you want to work with me on some project, you can just contact me. I'm gonna leave a link. And that's pretty much it. Until